Seeing it's after St. Patrick's Day, we picked up a corned beef brisket for $8. It was cut in half price. It was a 2 pound roast, and I put it in the crock pot with 4 small potatoes peeled and half an onion cut up into slices. And I took the packet that came with the or the corned beef, put it in with some water, added some beef stock, beef bouillon, and it's been cooking away for since 1:30, probably 2 hours now or 3 hours now.
I'll go show it. Okay?
Go show it.
I wanted to make sure you guys saw this meal because what happens is a lot of times we've got people that are younger that maybe they work and they don't know what they can make or the deals that can be found. And this is always a big hit with our family is the corned beef. I absolutely love it, and it's great for sandwiches and stuff later on. But Clay was kind enough to make this today for me, and I was doing some gardening, so it was really nice, and I was doing some housework, so that was kind of him. So, but this is a real easy meal. You can just put it together and go to work, come back home, or if you've got company, and so it's just a nice meal to have. So I know I have the top on, but here it is, your corned beef and all the goodies that Clay told you that he put in. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.